Yeah, you can see the Dead Sea to the left, and that's Jordan. You can see how close, just on the other side of the Dead Sea. That's all Jordan. Now the Dead Sea is, considered to be the lowest point on Earth. So you can imagine now we are, more than 400 meters below sea level, and it is 10 times, saltier than all other seas around the world. And that's why a lot of people, come to this place because they to swim, or the mud, because it has a pharmaceutical, benefits, and of course, cosmetic wise, there's a huge industry. Also, depends on the Dead Sea, especially the salt pans, but also cosmetic industry, where we have the Ahava. Ahava, this is the famous brand that being exported all over the world, where it is used, for, like skin products, and they were also very efficient, and that's why it's a famous brand here in the Holy Land. So we are heading, to the Dead Sea. They also, to the southern part, there is a huge industry where a lot of minerals also come from the Dead Sea, like magnesium, potassium. So a lot of money also comes from the Dead Sea. But unfortunately, the Dead Sea is shrinking because it's a closed lake, actually becoming, and the only source of water comes from the Jordan River, and a lot of evaporation. That's why it gets lower, every year. So we're gonna go to the beach. You can, as I told you, take a photo, or you want to swim, touch the water, and then we'll come back to the bus. And if you would like to buy any products, they have also like a shop at the beach for these products of Ahava products for the skin care.
Beautiful place. इसको बहर मैयत, डेड सी पे बहर मैयत, जहाँ लोग ठहरते हैं आकर, ये टेंट जो है ये हायर करते हैं, चेहरे बनी हुई हैं, बार बने हुए हैं.
Okay, so we'll go from here to the beach. Now, you need like 8-10 minutes to go to reach the shore. So those who, because it's easy to go down, but it will be hard to go up. So those who can't, to do this distance, they can have a look, from this part here. But those who would like to go down, of course, they are able to do this, and they can go down.